I went to Hawaii. I have visited Hawaii, and I said I wasn't coming home, and it looks like I should have stayed because although my weather is much better than Dwayne's, it is not the weather that you have in Hawaii. So you've been in the business though 40 years, in 40 plus years in Maui. That's amazing. I love it. I love it. Yeah.